First grade, Module 3, Birds' Amazing Bodies. Have you ever looked at a bird and thought, how do they do that? How do they fly so high? How do they stay so warm? Well, get ready because in this module, your child is about to become a bird expert. Students dive into the fascinating world of birds and their amazing bodies by building their background knowledge about birds. And they'll also become researchers as they use their researching skills to build their expertise about the bird's body. To help students soar throughout this module, they'll answer questions such as what makes a bird a bird? How do birds use their body parts to survive? And how do we become researchers and share our learning? Feathers, beaks, wings, songs in the sky. But what exactly makes a bird a bird? In Module 3, students begin to explore this question through the reading of stories such as Just Ducks and Birds. Through these engaging texts, your child will start to build their research skills, focusing on the physical features that makes birds truly unique. With every observation and scientific drawing, your child is learning to look closer, think deeper, and explain their ideas like a true young scientist. They will explore mystery pictures to spark their curiosities about the topics of birds. They will collect their scientific drawings within a research notebook to show all that they are learning about what makes a bird a bird. Beaks that crack, feathers that float, movements that amaze. In Module 3, Unit 2, your child is on a mission to discover the real superpowers of birds. Through the study of two incredible bird body parts, the feathers and beaks of birds, students will engage in whole class research using the text Feathers Not Just for Flying. Through close reading and shared writing, they answer the question of how do birds use their feathers to survive. Students will learn that feathers can do so much more than fly. They can keep birds warm, help them camouflage, and even attract mates. They will continue their scientific drawing skills through the process of close viewing. In the second half of Unit 2, students work in small research groups using the text Beaks as they explore the question, how do birds use their beaks to survive? They will engage in a series of beak challenges and write informational paragraphs about a specific bird's body part. In Unit 3, your child is becoming a true bird expert as they research real birds using words, drawings, and teamwork to make sense of what they learn. Using the National Geographic Kids book as a research tool, students collect facts about how their bird's unique features help it survive in its specific habitat. They'll participate in research to study a bird's key parts that help it to survive in the habitat as they take notes using words and pictures to participate in a small group science talk. All of this research will lead to something amazing as students write and illustrate their own expert bird riddle card, where they will be combining science, creativity, and fun. To check how well your child understands the unique features of birds, they will use the book Birds to respond to questions about the text and illustrations. They will write informational paragraphs and use their expert bird research notebook to participate in small group science talks. Parents, you too can join in helping your child become the bird experts that they are. Go on a short nature walk and look for birds in your area. Check out your parks, backyards, or even city sidewalks can be full of bird activities. Encourage your child to draw a picture from a photo or even from nature. Sing and move like birds. Create puppets that resemble birds and have your child practice the song that they'll perform during the celebration of learning. And don't forget, make reading about birds a cozy family activity. Visit your local library or look for ebooks about birds. Here are some books that you can check out with your child. Isles by Laura Marsh. This is the Nest That Robin Built by Denise Fleming. Circle by Jenny Baker. Birds. Explore the world of our feathered friends by Jill Bailey. Bird Builds a Nest, a first science storybook by Martin Jenkins. Bring on the Birds by Susan Stockdale. A Bird is a Bird by Lizzie Rockwell. Spit and Sticks by Marilyn Evans. Eagles by Kate Riggs. And What Do You Do with a Tail Like This by Steve Jenkins. From scientific drawings to expert bird riddles, each creation reflects your child's voice, knowledge, and growth as they become true experts.